One right now.
These are the hijabs I got. Guys, they are so pretty. So this is option 1. This is option 2. It's an Good morning, guys. I just got done doing my beauty prep for Eid. I wanted to make sure I got a head start this year because my skin has been suffering this Ramadan. It's been so dry and dull. So I wanted to see what I could do to help improve that. Firstly, I stopped doing this. I actually don't do this often at all, but I shaved my face, which I don't recommend if you have like darker hair, like if you have black hair like I do, because I feel like it does come back thicker or more prominent, whatever the case is. But my sideburns were getting out of control and I just like hated the way it looked. I just removed a little bit of it so it's like more clean on the sides and it makes your skin so soft. And then I went in with whitening strips and whitened my teeth. They're not white yet. I still have like a whole 10 more days to use this, but I wanted to get a head start. And lastly, this was a new addition to my routine. It's a red light and infrared light mask, LED mask that I've been wearing. I'm on week 1 of using this. It's recommended to use 3 to 5 times a week for 10 minutes each. And I've definitely noticed a difference in my skin. I've used it several times now. The biggest difference I've noticed in my skin is in redness, definitely a lot more calm, and evenness, like my skin has that even tone to it. Finally, I just feel like overall my skin looks like rejuvenated. It looks so alive. So if you guys don't know about red light therapy, basically it's anti-aging, and the red light helps to boost collagen, improve circulation, and also helps like with the firmness and tightness. And then this LED mask in particular also has infrared light, which helps penetrate deep beneath the skin layers to really help boost collagen and promote oxygen to your cells, which give you better results. And I'm loving it. I'll pop in some before and after so you guys can see the improvement in my skin over the week. I definitely noticed an improvement and I'm so excited to use it for longer. So with the Current Body Skin bundle, I also got a hydrogel mask and also got their green tea serum. Both of these improve the efficacy of the LED mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on since I just finished using the LED mask. And I have a code for you guys. You guys can get 30% off with the code JASRAH. I'll link it down below with Dr. Aya's Ramadan bundle kit. This is the mask on. This mask is literally heavenly. It makes my skin feel so hydrated and plump after every use. Oh my god, it feels incredible. It's time to go shopping! I am so excited. I'm not even going shopping for like my actual Eid outfit. I'm going shopping for a matching hijab for my outfit. So I actually already bought my Eid outfit. I'll share a picture of it here on the screen. I'm just a little bit worried that it's not going to arrive on time. Like that's the only thing I'm worried about. But the lady did guarantee that it was going to come. But it's just sometimes, you know, with the DHL, things get caught up. So I'm going shopping for a matching hijab for this outfit because it's kind of like this gray taupey stone color outfit and I don't have any hijabs to match with it. I could wear this one, I feel like, but I just don't want it to look off because it doesn't have a dupatta or anything. And I didn't want to do nude. So that is what we're going shopping for. So here's why I'm so excited. Because my cousin's son's wedding is in May in Chicago. So we're going to be going there for the wedding. And I need a hijab for the mehendi, the walima, and the mehendi. And I'm hoping these hijabs will work out. And I'll learn how to style them and wear them properly because they are a little bit more slippery. It's like that shimmery fabric. So I'm like trying to plan ahead. And I'm going to do a test run on Eid. And if it works out, then I'll be good for the wedding as well. So we're going to head to the store.
انت شوفي شنو. يلا حبيبتي
ما بس ها. These are the hijabs I got, guys. They are so pretty. I love the colors. I hope the camera picks it up, but it's gonna look so nice. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my head and try it. It has like this really pretty like sheen. It's so pretty. I love the color. Yeah, obviously I don't have it tied on properly, but I think this is going to match my mehndi outfit so nicely. This next one is even more pretty. Oh my god, it's this stunning like mauve color, and it also has that beautiful sheen. So these are definitely like fancier hijabs. Like they don't look like this chiffon hijab. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like this beautiful mauve lilac. This one actually I don't think it will match any of my outfits. I just thought it was really, really pretty to have in my collection. So I have this. And then lastly, I picked up this espresso color, which is just so pretty. Okay, this is the espresso hijab. It's so pretty. So I did get their business card. I picked it up off their counter just for you guys. So I'll put it here on the screen. But yeah, Elegance Galleria. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys my 3 dress options. In case my outfit doesn't come in on time, I have 3 dresses. All 3 are from Niswa Fashion. So I'm going to quickly try them on and show you guys. This is the first option. It's from Niswa Fashion. It's a gorgeous copper satin dress. I love the cut and silhouette of this dress. Very flattering. I've never worn it out before. My little sister, now that I think about it, has actually worn it out once before. And the reason why I've never worn it is because she came back with like either pit stains or like perfume stains. And she has one here and one here. So I feel like it's pretty noticeable. Unless I keep my arms down the whole time, then you really can't see it. But yeah, it's a gorgeous dress. I love the sleeves, love everything about it. It's very elegant and pretty. So this is option 1. Is option 2. It's another beautiful satin dress, also from Niswa Fashion. This one I've worn a couple times in some of my reels on Instagram, but never have worn it out in public. It's a gorgeous, stunning, like champagne dress. And it has like this tie belt thing around the waist. You can either wear it or you can just like wear it without. And it's like this kimono style, which I really love. I feel like it's definitely very elegant and simple. I feel like this is dressy enough, yet still simple for Eid. Definitely a gorgeous option. This would also make a stunning dress for like an engagement party, a like, I don't know, a baby shower. Like this dress is just so versatile. I love it so much. Yeah, I'll link it for you guys down below. And for all the dresses, I just have on these heels just to show you guys what the outfits would look like. But I do really love this. If I get really desperate, I think this one might be it. My last option is the most casual out of the 3. It's like this really pretty tiered embroidery dress. It's more of like a baby doll style, which I personally don't feel like is really flattering on me. Ignore the hijab color, by the way. I'm just like trying on all the outfits with the same hijab. This one doesn't match, but I'll wear something more like nudish beige. But yeah, it's still a really, really pretty dress. I just don't know if like this style really flatters my body type. We're gonna do an unboxing.
You go take care of the shoes.
Wait, give me your just namaz thing. Moment of truth. I literally already edited my YouTube video and uploaded it, but my Eid package came in, so I'm gonna include it in this vlog. Come on in, ma'am. Ready, set.
I'm not going right now.
Wait. I got the gray one. Why? You're kidding, right?
I told you to get the pink one.
They will let me. I swear.
But
The pink one was
Wait, so you're basically matching me.
Yours?
You're the one who told me to buy this.
But I took the pink one. I said I always take the pink one.
The pink was out of stock.
Oh. Yeah, it's so pretty. What do you mean?
You-
What size is this?
Extra small.
Southern Kings?
Oh, yeah.
Kings? Help me put the button on.
Can you imagine if it wasn't?
It's broken and it doesn't. Like, ever get on. She's popping out.
Wait, oh, you're wearing a kimono too? Your Eid outfit we included.
No, the color.
Hey, where are we going for Eid? by the
Your
way?
button's broken, bro.
I know, but
We're
just-
not going anywhere for Eid.
I'm going to staff city staff.
Stop for center than Nirvana after. Everyone be
Yeah.
down.
You down?
Nah, I can't get it. I have a broken finger.
Try.
I mean,
It's
I
totally
can do it.
broken.
I can do it, but my nails are. I have no nails. Don't they come with like extra buttons?
You probably tore it off.
Oh yeah. But it's just a black button.
There.
You can find it in the things.
Should I try it on?
It's huge. Imagine. Remember we were telling you to get medium? Can you imagine if you did?
Well, the lady said, thank God she
That's
advised
for
me. She
Louis.
said,
Or she-
just that's very big. Yeah.
Actually, look at this.
Ew.
What is that?
It's the leather from the shoes.
Yeah, but
And
also,
look, now he's on your
but
bed.
also look, this is her nice white sheet cotton.
Drew bag.
Okay,
Sucks-
well,
sucks
I
to
love
suck.
it. No dupatta though.
Who wears a dupatta really? You know what I mean?
Okay, so these are the hijabs I bought. We'll see if it matches.
You want? Yeah, you bought some Garo King.
For what?
Or
My Eid
Java,
outfit. Oh, none of them match.
Yeah. Why would you get those
Leave.
colors? Where's this from?
Elegance. Well, I wanted to test it out to see which one
Why
would.
would you take your outfit with you to Elegance?
Because it didn't come, and I didn't think it was gonna come on time.
Yeah, they do like 2-day
It's
shipping.
pretty.
Ew. It needs to be the color that you're wearing, but shimmer. That's it.
You think they'll let me exchange one color hijab?
Yeah, when did you get this stuff?
2 days ago. Look how pretty this is.
How much is it? What was this?
$11.99 each.
I need to take my wedding outfits and.
Yeah, that's why I bought these just to see.
Did they have like any pinkish nude colors?
Mhm, they had so many.
Yeah, because the hijab for my gown is kind of. It's like not.
Wait, this hijab actually looks really good with this.
Yeah, but it's like so plain. It needs to be shimmer.
Wait, this
Or
outfit
what is it? Satin?
is to
See, the issue with these hijabs is that like.
Yeah, but that's why
It just doesn't like sit nicely.
that's why I got it now so we can do our trial runs before the wedding. And like the end is like the finishing on this is not that nice. You can use a straightener.
No, meaning like you can just like see it.
Okay, let me show you guys an up close. It is so freaking pretty. Has all this detailing. It's sheer though. I wasn't expecting it to be sheer, and it's a kimono style. So it's like that's my vibe.
It's not sheer. They gave you a underpiece.
I just feel like it's not long enough.
How does my blush always end up in your bag? And then you claim that we don't share makeup.
I have the blush on today.
Both of my blushes are in here. Should,
Okay, well, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
should I try some highlighter?
Not with that brush.
Why?
No, here, use this.
This is my brush.
Okay, after is coming. Woo! We're heading out to Kamaria, as we always do. Tonight's an odd night. Tonight's the 25th night. And
Dude, I still feel
have to
like
buckle up.
low-key really jittery. You know, like the stomach jittery?
I don't know why you had it first thing in the morning when you haven't had coffee in like 20 days first thing in the morning. Why would you do that?
Because I was already there. And I was like, it's just sometimes like, I don't know. Yeah, I feel kind of like low-key sick.
Go eat something with a lot of protein. Make your stomach full.
I did eat a kebab roll earlier.
Couldn't.
Ugh.
Trying to convince my other friend to show up. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm so glad that I got to show you guys my outfit too. So that worked out. Sorry, this is dirty. But yeah, that worked out. So I'll see you guys on Eid. I'll have a Eid special.
What could your Eid special possibly be?
We don't know what we're doing, but we'll have one.
I need to walk by.